Good morning, welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some mostly cloudy to cloudy skies out there this morning and humid conditions. Going to continue to see these cloudy to mostly cloudy skies throughout the morning hours. We'll see some breaks in the clouds once we move in the afternoon hours, and with that sunshine we'll see our instability increase slightly this afternoon, and we'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon evening hours as a cold front moves through the region. Looking at our conditions the last 24 hours over the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to lower to mid 80s. Newport News was a warm spot at 85 degrees. Here at Wallops we were at 84. As I mentioned, most of the locations in the lower 80s. Overnight last night saw temperatures in the lower 70s to the upper 70s, so a very humid and muggy night. Baltimore at 72 degrees, that was the cool spot across the region. Here at Wallops we were in the upper 70s, but we did have some missing data giving us an unknown of our actual low temperature. Baltimore saw the most precipitation across the region at 1.83 inches. Some of the locations across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region saw precipitation amounts over an inch, such as Washington, D.C. We didn't see any precipitation here at Wallops yesterday, but as 9 a.m. we are seeing some light rain here at Wallops with 81 degrees as our temperature. Most of the locations seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Under most of the cloudy to cloudy skies, as of 10 a.m. we aren't seeing any more rainfall across our region currently. We do have some scattered showers just north of our region. Looking at our sounding, as of 12Z this morning, our freezing level at 15,100 feet. Our winds are southwesterly throughout the column this morning, seeing a 22 knot wind at 1,000 feet. Winds increasing up to 33 knots at 12,000 feet. That's our peak wind. And seeing winds around 30 knots up to 20,000 feet, and then decreasing out of the southwest at 24 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, as of 12Z this morning, we have a boundary across the Appalachians. That's a weak cold front. It's shown as a trough here, but it is a weak cold front that's going to move through the region for the late afternoon evening hours. It's going to give us our shower and thunderstorm chances. We have the remnants of Florence that's currently across the northeast and New England states. It's giving them heavy rainfall. Continue to move off in the northeast for a day. We'll see some higher humidity values across our region today with the leftover tropical moisture moving through, and that's going to give us a chance of the showers and thunderstorms with the possibility of some heavy brief rainfall with any of those thunderstorms that move over our area. Looking at our radar this morning, we do have that broken band of showers and some embedded thunderstorms across the Appalachians this morning. I see these showers moving towards our region for the afternoon hours and evening hours. That's going to give us our best chance of rainfall. See some light showers and even a moderate shower north of our region that's kind of sporadic and isolated nature. That will remain most likely off of the north. Can't rule out a brief rain shower this morning here at Wallops. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model, going to give you an idea of the radar reflectivity for the afternoon evening hours. Here's our 2 o'clock time period, and then you can see showers and thunderstorms starting to blossom as we get towards the 4 to 5 o'clock time period. And after 4 o'clock, it looks like our best chance of rainfall and also thunderstorms across our region. And here's our 8 o'clock time period. You can see that the showers and thunderstorms are on our doorstep or over the region, and that's looks like the best time period for the thunderstorms is after 4 o'clock and then lasting through the evening hours today. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our Tuesday night planner. You can see that cold front sweeping off the coast, giving us clearing skies for the overnight time period. And then during our Wednesday AM time period, we'll see that clear skies across our region, less humidity, so it'll feel much better compared to this morning for our Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon we'll have a secondary weak cold front moving through the region. That's going to give us some more onshore flow for our Thursday, and that's going to allow for Thursday to be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours, with temperatures only getting up into the upper 70s for our Thursday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a chance of rainfall, as I mentioned this morning, with about a 20% chance of some rain showers. And then with moving the afternoon hours, seeing our chances of rainfall around 20% continuing, and then once we move in the late afternoon, we'll see our chances of rain moving up around 60%, and our chance of thunderstorms around 40 to 45% during that time period for the late afternoon to evening hours. So we'll see a high today around 86 degrees, and that is dependent upon our wind direction, of course. And looking like our winds will turn out of the west for the afternoon hours, and I do expect if those winds do turn out of the west, we'll see those temperatures in the mid-80s across the Wallops region. If they do stay out of the south, most likely going to see temperatures in the low 80s throughout the day today. Our low tonight will be around 71 degrees. We'll have northerly winds after that front moves off the coast, and possibly gusting up to 18 knots by our Wednesday morning. I have a slight chance of some low clouds and patchy fog as that cold front moves through and is just south of the region for the early overnight hours tonight. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we have mostly cloudy skies out there currently, a chance of rainfall, a 10% chance of a thunderstorm. That'll last till about 2 o'clock this afternoon at 1400 local, then we'll increase our chances to 20%, and then after 1600 local, we'll see a 45% chance of thunderstorms. That'll last towards the late evening into the early overnight hours at 2300 local, would reduce those chances to 10%. In the overnight time period, we'll just see decreasing cloudiness, a slight chance of those low clouds across the region, and then by Wednesday at 8 local, we'll see mostly sunny skies. Our tides are currently normal, and looking Wednesday into Thursday, we'll see a green chart from Wednesday through Thursday. Wednesday will be mostly cloudy to mostly sunny, less humid, and high of 84 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, and slight chance of fog during the overnight time period. We'll see a low of 66 degrees, and for Thursday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, and comfortable conditions, we'll see a high of 76 degrees. So for the next 7 days, our warmest day looks like it'll be today. A high of 86, low of 71 tonight, 84 on Wednesday, a low of 66 on Wednesday night and Thursday. We'll see our lower humidity values come in for our Wednesday afternoon, and it will feel less humid and much more comfortable tomorrow afternoon, as we have been seeing those humidity values high for this time of year. For our Thursday, we'll see a high of 76, and then we'll see a slight warming trend for Friday into Saturday, as we'll have an area of high pressure moving off the coast, giving us a little bit warmer temperatures across the region. Saturday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies across the region. We'll have a cold front approaching from the north and west on Saturday morning. Right now, it looks like a dry cold front. Going to continue to monitor the situation to move towards Saturday. Could be seeing some pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon, but right now it looks like that cold front should move south of the region by Saturday afternoon, just giving us some mostly cloudy skies in general for our Saturday. And Sunday, we'll have that cold front just south of the region, a disturbance moving along it. That's going to give us a chance of some rainfall, most likely just some light rainfall, but it will remain mostly cloudy to overcast on Sunday. Cooler temperatures, high of 77 degrees. And for Monday, we'll see a high of 78 onshore flow as that cold front will remain south of the region, and just giving us more seasonable conditions than what we've been dealing with most recently with these higher humidity levels and temperatures in the 80s. That's going to complete the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.